The Bible says in Jeremiah 33:3, call upon my name, and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things that you know it not. And so I want to ask for the people of God to band together right now. If you're going through challenges, difficulties, life is hard, this thing dropped within my spirit the other day, and I want to share it with you. Ask God to do a miracle in the madness. So we're going to pray that prayer together over the next 7 days. We're going to say, God, listen, I need you to do a miracle in the middle of this madness. And I want you to drop in the comment section below, miracle in the madness. And over the next 7 days, I want you to pray, God, I need you to do a miracle in this madness. And we're going to watch God work. God bless y'all. Let's lock in. Salute.